Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not detecting your hard drives. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can manage various aspects of the application. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Storage. This section is specifically designed to manage all your storage drives and Steam library folders, making it the perfect place to address any issues with undetected hard drives. By accessing this area, you're telling Steam to show you all currently recognized storage locations. Now, at the top of the storage settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Add Drive. This action prompts Steam to let you manually add a storage location that it may have missed or failed to detect automatically. It's a straightforward way to ensure Steam recognizes all available drives on your system. After selecting Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and select your another local drive from the list. This is where you're choosing the specific hard drive you want Steam to recognize and use for game installations. Once you've made your selection, click the Add button to confirm. Steam will now register this drive and make it available for storing your games and content. If you've added the drive but Steam still isn't detecting it properly, there's another method you can try. Go back to that same drop-down menu at the top of the storage settings, and this time select the hard drive you want to fix. This tells Steam which specific drive you're having issues with and allows you to perform maintenance on it. Once you've selected the problematic drive, click the three dotted lines, then select Repair Library from the options. This repair function scans the selected drive and fixes any corruption or configuration issues that might be preventing Steam from properly detecting or accessing it. The repair process usually takes just a moment, and it can resolve most detection problems by refreshing Steam's connection to that drive. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam's hard drive detection issue by either adding the drive manually or repairing the library folder. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.